Okay, this is the condensing unit. It's 310s, 410A, we expect that. It's better than 14 SEER, we expect that. But listen to it. Listen to the harmonic distortion coming through the wall. And then it's almost my imagination, because now I see this throughout the interior. But it's almost like this was almost like this wall had been taken out so they could trace that. What I believe is happening here, and I don't know, but this is a symptom that the refrigerant piping is rubbing against the framing. This is a unit. The house faces east, so this would be like the north side. This refrigerant piping, it was not insulated properly. They painted it with a mastic sealer. Can you see the way that's... Okay? That won't last. That won't last. They use the wrong kind of refrigerant piping here. This surface port cap. Should have been sealed better. I guess I fixed it. It's a little close to the wall. It's almost not level. Coils are kind of dirty. Kind of dirty. Not real dirty. It's not really unlevel. It's not really too close to the wall. Kind of close to the wall. It does make that noise though. The noise disturbs me, upsets me, concerns me. Then we come along here, and off of the roof covering, we do not have a rain diverter. We don't have rain diverter, so the water comes out just like it's been beating this ground right here. Okay? It's also beating the air conditioning unit. That's not right. You should have a... What do we learn? We learned that we have the wrong kind of refrigerant. We don't have refrigerant piping insulation, the wrong kind of insulation. We learned that we don't have a rain diverter. Now that I've been pushing on it, let's see what this sounds like. And we learned that we got some harmonic distortion. Yeah, it's still there. Coming through the walls. I don't know what can be done about that exactly. I don't think it's an operational thing, but it might have some effect on the... Well, let's listen. Let's see that wall. This is the laundry. Kind of far from it. And this first bedroom here. I can barely hear it in the closet. Let's close this window. I opened the windows when I got here. Doesn't sound much different than anybody else's air conditioner at this point. All the windows are open. But this doesn't sound much different than anybody else's air conditioner at this point in the first bedroom, the east bedroom. So you can hear it in the garage though.